Okay, in this lesson, let's talk about pins in UV layout in Cinema 4D. We are going to the select mode and in a pass selection. We are going to the standard and we want to unwrap this head. The method of creating the head is very simple. Select the pass and the seams for cutting the heads from here, holding shift to cut all this way. Nice at the symmetry. And yeah, no, maybe open it from here. You have to select the seams from the position that you cannot see that, and the ears in this case is not important, or you can use select loop. I think no, I think this is good. Holding shift, don't forget. Oh no, not that way. Holding shift, let's select, yeah, this way. And you can see in this part we are selecting our edges and we want to make it to the symmetry. It's very easy. You can go to the select and symmetry selection, and it's done. I will be explaining it before. You can see it's symmetry done, and it's done. We are going to our UV layout and we want to unwrap our model based on seams. And it's very simple. You can use pins for UV relax and auto realign. Okay, we want to unwrap it. Very simple. Unwrap, as you can see, it's unwrap it, but we want to maintain some part and position in the face, so we need some pins. For creating the pins before unwrap them, you have to set UVW from projection, and in this case the frontal is making it. Okay, and you can see it's create a frontal for you. Or you can use its beginning way to pin, or you can use pins in 3D. For example, for creating pins, if you are in an edge, if you are in a polygon, the pins are turned off. If you go to the point, it will be turned on. So, for example, from the loop selection, I want to pin these parts. Then holding shift these parts around the ear or something like that. I want to these parts pin. Pins means like a pin that if the software relaxes your UV, changing the topology, anything, these parts are maintained, their topology maintained, not exactly position, but for example, you want to unwrap something and pin in somewhere, and the distance between pins are not changing and something like that. So first we select the points and simply create the pins. You can see they are turned to red. It means they are pin. And we are going to the edge mode. And you can see our seams are there. And based on the frontal, because based on the frontal, it's the way for beginning. Now you can unwrap it. And now you can see the pins are maintained in position, and nice. This is an pins. If you want, you can clip, or you can clear pins. If you go to the point mode, if you clear UV pins, it's remove all of the pins. But if you want to remove some of the polygons, it's very simple. You have to select them, select pins, and just remove these pins. But if you clear it, clear all the pins. And you can unwrap it again if you want and see what happened. Or I think you can relax it again to see what happened. In this case, it does not change anything. you can go to seams again and unwrap it again. And you can see because it's allowed to changing the topology of the eyes, but it's not good. You have to disconnect this parts, and this is nice, good. If you go to the texture, you can see we have a nice topology of our, and you can see ears are separated here. These are pins. It's very easy. In some cases we are using, in some cases not. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.